Hi, so what's up, y'all? Today I'm about to be breaking down a trade I took yesterday for the Mint Funding Challenge, and let's get into this video. So let me actually show you the dashboard right here. I'm up $267 in profit for the challenge. Um, and this is the Myfxbook that's connected to it. Right now we're just a little bit over 1% on the challenge, and we need at least 10% to pass the challenge. So this was yesterday. This is the trade that I took yesterday. Um, it only ran to partials, and I believe it stopped me out at break even. So let's do a little breakdown on that. So based on my higher time frames, I know that we're bullish on EJ. I always start off with the higher time frames. So I was on the monthly time frame. Notice this bearish break right here. And if you haven't seen my last videos on why you shouldn't buy the dip and what you should do instead, you should go watch that video so you can understand what I'm talking about more in this video. So go ahead and watch that video. So right now we have this bearish break right here. Breaks right here, goes bearish again, and goes bearish again. Then price goes bullish after breaking this high, and it goes bullish one more time, breaks the low, so it's bearish, bearish, and breaks the high, bullish. As I drop down to the weekly time frame, I notice a hidden zone, which I haven't went over yet, demand zones, but I will go over in a future video um, on how demand zones work, supply and demand zones. So I have my demand zone right here on a higher time frame, and the highs right here. And like I talked about in the last video, if it's on this bullish trend, it's going to most likely target the high. If it's on a bearish trend, it's going to target the low. And that was basically the concept of why you shouldn't buy the dip. So make sure you check that out. So my overall target is this high. I went down to I believe a 4 hour, and I just look where I'm at in the market. So I have this bullish break from that zone, another bullish break, another bullish one, then it goes bearish, bearish, breaks back bullish at this candle right here, and I see a zone right here. Taps in here. This is also a hidden zone, which I will go over a little bit later on in the videos after I show y'all supply and demand zones. So it taps in here and goes back bullish. So what did I see at the time? So what did I see at the time yesterday? So I knew I was around here in the markets. Yeah, it was somewhere around here. I was on a, let's look at what time frame I was on. Yes. Uh, at that time of the when I took this trade, uh, I was right here in price. I saw this nice clean demand zone right here, which broke structure right here, and I knew the high would be targeted because that same idea it happens on all time frames fractal. So I was targeting the high. So let's actually um, replay this. Let's actually replay. Put this in a replay. Oh, I'm keeping alerts. That's what I'm doing. All right. All right. So I was right here and I saw this 30-minute zone, right? So it was tapped right here and it tapped in deeper. So this is where I came on. I jumped down to a 1 minute time frame to look for my entries. That's where I usually look for entries, but sometimes it can be a 2 minute or a 3 minute. Depends on how the zones is looking. So I saw this bearish break right here. So it was going bearish into the zone. Or maybe I was right here. Yeah, I was actually right here. And yeah, I was right here. It was breaking down bearish, so I was waiting for that shift like I talked about in the other video. I got this final bearish break. I got this bullish break right here. So one bullish. I saw a zone right here, which I wanted to enter, but the way how this zone was, it didn't fit my rules of entering. It was a good setup, but it didn't fit my rules. So I didn't personally enter based on this zone right here. I waited for a break of the high. So the high got broken, and I saw a zone right here, which I entered based on my rules. And I was looking to break even, which I did after this. I ain't gonna lie, where's the replay? I ain't gonna lie, I don't see the replay. So I'll just exit. Trading few tweaking right now, so I'm gonna just go to the trade. So I basically broke even when price pulled down and broke this high. So it tapped in, I entered right here. It broke up, pulled down, broke the high again, which gave me sign to break even, which I did. I broke even, and I was looking to take a portion of my money or partials right here at a 1 to 3. So I took my partials right here, and I was basically looking for any reason price may want to exit, but it was coming down. It almost stopped me out at break even right here, but it didn't. And it pulled back up. But because of my rules, I didn't see no rules to exit the trade before it hitting break even. So it hit break even, and it went below my zone, as I talked about in my last video. That price can go below a low before continuing higher. That's what it did. So this was a good trade for me. You know, made money on the trade for the challenge. But as you can see, it broke below this low before continuing to that high. I wanted to get targeted, and price does that sometimes. See, just like this, it's going bullish right here, breaks below the low, and most likely to continue to this high right here, get targeted. So I hope y'all enjoyed this trade breakdown. You know, I'm gonna keep updating y'all on how this challenge goes, and let's see what I can do this session. I'm actually late to be trading. I just wanted to record this video real quick, and I'm gonna be trading this session. I'll keep y'all